Having a day in HADERSLEV with Claribel, raise your vibration.
Here in HADERSLEV. I'm cycling here in the beautiful city, HADERSLEV. Come with me. Nasuklah hier ibuan. We are rising the frequencies. Here having contact with the flowers behind me. As you can see, beautiful flowers. Yoo-hoo! I like those flowers. Today is a beautiful day here in HADERSLEV, Denmark. We are enjoying here outside, going for a walk, watching the beautiful of this lake.
Beautiful yellow behind me.
The cool flower.
I like yellow colors because it's very happy color.
Springtime here in HADERSLEV. Beautiful. Woohoo! Tiki Kagon here in HADERSLEV. Beautiful yellow, white flowers.
Here we are in the garden, Dam Park Garden.
Hi allesamen. Kika alle blomsterne her rundt. Yoo-hoo! Springtime here in HADERSLEV.
Gracias.